Hello friends, Tiger Coward here. Welcome to day 21 of our Trans-Labrador and East Coast adventure. Today will be the last video postcard of this series. Join us as we ride from Wolf River all the way to Verdun. Welcome to day 21 of our adventure and the final video of this series. Today we woke to beautiful sunshine and a balmy 18 degrees in Wolf River. We continued our journey west on Route 132, my new favorite road. We rode with farms on our left and the St. Lawrence River on our right. We passed through multiple beautiful farming towns with beautiful churches and usually a beautiful river. I thought it was beautiful.
Like seeing ghosts, it's the wrong turns that lead me down this misery road. Desolation when I close my eyes, a lifetime I can't deny. Skeletons rising up in graves.
We jumped on Highway 20 to skirt Levis, and then we rejoined Route 132 all the way to TroisRivières. After eating a brilliant sundae on the banks of the St. Lawrence River, we parted ways with Muzzy. He was heading to Renfrew and then home, and I was heading to Montreal to stay with Spike and Madame Spike for 2 nights.
Reveries drift across my bed. This purgatory feels like the end. My mistakes, fragile like my dreams, vivid and hard.
This will be the last virtual postcard of my trip. Thank you for joining our ride. I love you all. Tiger Coward over and out. Go forth with an open mind and most importantly an open heart. And remember, self-care is not selfish.